Very cool.
Hello guys. Galing din kami sa work karating lang namin guys. Nag-stop over muna kami sandali sa pharmacy. At ito nakita namin itong maliit na fan kasi si Honey hindi siya satisfied doon sa maliit na fan na nabili ko sa Amazon guys kasi ang liit-liit. Kaya ito pumili na naman kami ng isa pang fan dito sa bahay. Yun yung guys, yung pinakamalit. Ayaw niya kasi hindi siya satisfied. Kaya ito na naman. Tingnan nyo. Oh, ito. Pang table lang to siya guys. Kaya nakita namin ito doon sa pharmacy. So sabi ko sa kanya, siya naman lagi yung nakaupo dyan sa sofa. So I think this is really enough for him. He always say, I feel hot, I feel hot. Okay, now let us put this one, see how strong this fan guys. But I will pull out this one. And I think I will bring this one to work because sometimes in our work, the aircon is on and off. So I can put that one in front of me. So let us try to sample how strong this fan guys. Maybe that's enough for him. The on is here. Wow! See? That's so beautiful. Yeah. The wind is more stronger than that one guys. Even though we put like an ice cubes for that one because have ice cube for that at the back, but still very slow and not enough. Now it's really nice, right, sweetheart?
I can't feel it, but
so
because I'm facing down there.
Yeah,
but yeah,
it's really nice, and the wind is so strong. So we have little fun in the house, but now it's really working. Look, and so strong.
Yeah.
That's it. So I think that's my honey satisfied for it, right, honey?
Yes.
Okay. Good job. Thank you for watching. See you for the next video. Mwah.